Hello guys, you all are welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Charles Chinoso and I'm glad to have you here today. If you are new to this channel, I talk about ways you can make money online and things you can do to get better results in your internet marketing activities. So today I'll be revealing to you guys some content creation sources for your affiliate marketing business. Mind you, these sources I'll be revealing to you guys are not just limited to affiliate marketers. You can also use them if you're a freelancer, if you're a copywriter, or any online business you do. But you know I'm an affiliate marketer now, guys. So I always put affiliate marketing first in whatever I do. So guys, if you are struggling with content creation, you want to pay attention to all what I'll be saying in this video. In sales and marketing, content creation is very important. Content creation is very important. It serves as a foundation where relationships are built. So if you want to sell like crazy, you want to learn how to build relationships and bond with your content creation skills. You want your audience to feel that you truly care about them and you're not just after their money. The earlier you start building relationships, the better and sooner you start making crazy sales in your business. That being said, so here are the 9 content sources where you can consistently generate quality content for your affiliate business. With these sources I'm about to reveal to you guys, you will never run dry of what to create on your social media posts. You will never run dry of what should I post today? Omo, like you will never go blank. Do you understand what I'm saying now? So before I dive in, make sure to go ahead and click the subscribe button and like this video and share this video with your friends so that you can reach out to more people that are interested in this kind of content. All right, so are you ready, guys? All right, let's go, guys. Let's go. So the first on my list is Coral. Coral. So this platform is one place I generate killer content. On Coral, you get to generate fresh content for your affiliate marketing business. You get to gain deep insights about what people are asking, the kind of questions people are asking regarding your business. In fact, this platform is a good mine of insights and opportunities. Alright, so let me show you guys how I use Coral for my affiliate marketing content creation. So you head on to your Google browser and search Coral. So once you search Coral, you open the first link and create an account on the platform. So but for me, I already have an account, so I won't need to create an account or go through that stage. So I'll just click on login over here. So over here on Quora, you could actually get to ask questions to know what people are discussing within your niche. Peradventure, I want to learn more about what people are asking when it comes to copywriting. So I'll just type in copywriting where we have the search button. So let's see what it will bring for us. All right, can you see? These are what people are asking regarding copywriting. You can see the first one says, how do I learn copywriting? The second one says, what are the best books on copywriting? Then we have, what is the difference between content writing and copywriting? Can you see? You can even click on any of them to see what it's all about, to know more about what people are saying regarding how do I learn copywriting. You can see different people's opinion on how they can learn copywriting. If you scroll down, there are countless content regarding this topic you will find on Quora. I guess you are getting the point, guys. So this is one way you get to learn more about what people are saying regarding your niche. You can also go to this place where we have add a question and also add any question you wish to ask. So once you add a question here, then you click on add over here and it will go live on the platform and you see people coming with their own answers regarding your question. So basically, this is how I use Coral to generate content for myself. One reason why I like Coral is it supplies me with a trend of burning questions people are asking on a particular topic. Like it literally me having direct access to my target audience thoughts. Then I use these insights and questions gathered to craft compelling content for my videos, social media updates and so on. With Coral, you can get an endless inspiration of content to create for your audience. So guys, this is how you use Coral. So the second way you can generate content for your affiliate business is by reading books. By reading books. This is one great way to generate quality content for your affiliate business. The good thing about this method is you get to achieve personal growth while generating content. So you get to consume the knowledge from the book and you get to dish out value to your audience based on what you gathered from the book, based on the knowledge you gathered from the book. So books are a good mine of knowledge. They provide an in-depth insight on various topics. So by reading more about your chosen niche or topic, you get to gain a deeper understanding of your niche. After reading the book, you then translate those insights that you've gathered into blog posts, videos, or social media updates. Books are a treasure of ideas, guys. Books are a treasure of ideas. So you want to consider getting yourself a bookshelf after watching this video. Alright, so the third way you can generate content for your affiliate business is by spying on other people's sales page. Yes, I mean it. You can spy on other people's sales page. This is a great source of insights and inspiration for your content marketing, especially if that particular content you're trying to create is around lead generation or maybe offer creation. You can spy on other people's sales page to study the layout of their page. You can even study the copywriting techniques that they used on their page, even the call to action phrases that they use. What you are trying to do here is to find out what is working and model yours around it. By analyzing what works, you get to gain valuable insights into crafting your own compelling content. This helps you increase the effectiveness of your affiliate promotion. This way, you'll be using what works and not just depending on trial and error. Plus, this method saves you a lot of time and effort. So just simply go to Google or go to Facebook. So once you're on Facebook, then you go through your feed and search for ads that relate to your niche. Peradventure, if I'm someone that is into forex trading, this particular ad relates to me. So what I will now do is I'll click on like, I'll make sure I like the ad, then I will click on the link over here to see more about this particular ad. So once I click on this link, obviously it will take me to the sales page and I'll get to see how they craft their sales page. I'll get to see the copywriting techniques that they adopted. Okay, so the good thing about you liking this particular ad is that Facebook will get to know that you like stuffs like this and they'll show you more of similar stuffs. So guys, if you are into affiliate marketing, you want to ensure you are liking ads on affiliate marketing. That way you get to see more ads that pertains to affiliate marketing and you'll be able to study or spy on other people's sales page. So guys, the fourth way you can generate content for your affiliate business is through Google. Google, yeah. When it comes to safety in Nigeria, I heard police are your friend. Well, emphasis on I heard, guys, because I'm here to experience that. But I have experienced this particular one. When it comes to content creation, Google is your friend. Nothing beats that, guys. Google provides you a load of information and tools to help affiliate marketers generate content that drives traffic and conversion. The amazing part is there are tools like Google Trends and Google Keyword Planner that you can use to find out trending topics in your niche. These tools might be a bit technical for you, but then Google Search itself is very simple to use. You can just go to Google Search to study top ranking articles, blog posts, and videos in your niche. Then you get to gather insights on any particular content you wish to create. Let's go to Google. Let's ask Google a question. So now I'm currently on my Google search and I want to ask Google, how can I start affiliate marketing in Nigeria? And let's see what Google will bring out for us. All right. So I just search how can I start affiliate marketing in Nigeria, and you can see a whole lot of blog posts and content that it brought out for us on how one can start affiliate marketing. So you can click on any of them to see what people are saying about how one can start affiliate marketing and also draw inspiration to craft your own content. The insights you gather on Google can be used to create high quality content and address your audience needs, pain points and interest. Whether it is blog posts or it is how-to guides or product reviews or even video tutorials, Google can be used to draw inspiration for your content creation process. Alright, so guys, if you want me to teach you how to use Google Trends and Google Keyword Planner, go to the comment section now and comment, teach me how to use Google Trends and Google Keyword Planner. These are really amazing tools, so I feel you guys should actually learn how to use it. So if you want me to teach you how to use it, go to the comment section now and comment, teach me how to use Google Trends and Google Keyword Planner. Alright guys. So the fifth one on our list is social media posts. Social media posts. Alright, so from Instagram to Facebook, from Twitter to TikTok, each of these platforms offer unique opportunities for generating content for your affiliate marketing business. So start by studying your audience and understanding them, then select the right platform where they spend their time the most. So the next thing you do is you look out for your competitors and top industry leaders on your platform or on that platform where you feel your audience spend their time the most. Then you see how they craft their message. Your discovery should help you craft compelling content that capture attentions, add value and spark curiosity in your audience. Whether it is eye-catching visuals you are trying to create, whether it is engaging caption, interactive posts, make sure that your content stand out from the crowd. You don't want to copy people's content verbatim. It should only be a source of inspiration for you. So just ensure that your content stand out from the crowd, okay? Alright, alright. So the sixth one on our list here is ebooks. Alright, so in this digital age, ebooks have become a powerful tool for affiliate marketers. With the rise of mobile devices, ebooks can offer a convenient and accessible way to acquire knowledge on any particular topic. You can start by identifying a topic that aligns with your affiliate product and services and addresses a specific need or pain point of your audience. You can then download ebooks online to gain more insights and knowledge about that topic. Alright, so after gathering those knowledge, you can then come up with content for your affiliate business from the insights you gathered. Just ensure that whatever you do, ensure to provide valuable insights that demonstrate your expertise in your niche when crafting your content. So one good place I go whenever I want to get free ebooks for knowledge gathering sake is pdfdrive.com. So let me take you to my Chrome browser and show you pdfdrive.com. So over here you type www.pdfdrive.com. So on this platform, you can download any kind of ebook you wish to download regarding any particular niche or topic. You can see there are so many ebooks over here that you can download for free. So just go to the search button and search any ebook that you wish to download and you get to see it on this platform. So guys, ensure to make use of this platform to gather knowledge regarding your niche and topic and also for your content creation process. So the seventh one on our list here is WhatsApp status. WhatsApp status. Alright, in the world of affiliate marketing, WhatsApp status is a hidden gem for sourcing content for your affiliate business. So start by connecting with like-minded and top industry leaders in your niche. Ensure that you connect to them and you both exchange contact so that you can always see each other WhatsApp status. So then you look out for your WhatsApp status and draw inspiration for your content creation process. You can make use of paraphrasing tools to rephrase their content when creating yours. Or you can also create something fresh from your thought process based on the inspiration you draw from them. By leveraging WhatsApp status, you can generate content, build relationships, and increase sales for your affiliate business. Alright guys, so the eighth one on our list here is Qbot. Alright, so Qbot is an AI writing assistant tool that helps you generate unique and engaging content in seconds. With Qbot, you can rephrase other people's content and generate fresh perspective and ideas. So let me take you to my Qbot so that you see for yourself how it works. So once you're on your browser, just search qbot.com. Qbot, it is spelled Q-U-I-L-L, qbot.com. Can you see it has opened the page for us? So it is very simple guys. Start by entering your existing contents into this space. Can you see here? Start by entering your existing content into this space, or you can probably click on paste. Let's assume you already have your content somewhere, like you've copied and saved it somewhere. You can just copy it from there and paste it over here. Then come down here and click on paraphrase. Then it will bring up a fresh new idea of that content over here. Within a few seconds, Qbot can help you rewrite everything in different words. Qbot really works like magic, guys. Like, don't sleep on this. With Qbot settings, you can adjust the results to tailor your content to suit your audience and brand voice. Whether you need to rewrite product descriptions, whether you need to craft compelling blog posts, or create captivating social media captions, Qbot is really a great place to check. Alright. I guess you guys are getting value. If you are getting value, ensure to hit on the subscribe button so that more people will see this video. Alright, so the ninth one on our list here is the product itself. The product itself. This is one of the best way and easiest way to generate content for your affiliate business. What product are you promoting? What product are you promoting? How about you go through that product to understand what the product is all about? How about you use that product and even experience the product? Dis allow you to gain a deep insight about the benefit of the product and even share reviews from results you got after using the product. There's nothing more powerful than personal results, guys. Nothing more powerful than it. It gives you some level of confidence when talking about that product. If only affiliate marketers always take their time to deeply understand what their product is all about, trust me, they will have limitless ideas to draw inspiration from. Alright. So when it comes to marketing, you must understand that content is king, guys. Content is king. When you create content, you are literally giving a stage with an opportunity to wow your audience. And once you are able to give your audience that aha moment, trust me, they will gladly give you their credit card. So guys, I guess you got value from this video. So we come to the end of this tutorial. See you in the next video. Bye guys.